Listening practice, exercise 1. Listen to track 20 about superlatives and repeat the reading out loud. My family is the greatest families. I live with my family. I am the shortest. I am the most well-built. I am the smartest. I have 2 siblings. My brother is 50 years old. He is the youngest. He is the tallest. He is the chubbiest too. My sister is the most sensitive. She is 17 years old. She is the slimmest. She is the most beautiful in her class. My father is 60 years old. He is the oldest in my family. He is the friendliest. My mother is 59. She is the most responsible. She is the plumpest too. My parents are the most affectionate. We are the happiest when we are together. My brother has the shortest hair. He has the biggest ears. My sister has the biggest eyes in my family. She has the longest hair. My father is the baldest person. My mother has the curliest hair. She has the smallest eyes too.